cost plus profit is equal to selling price. That means cost per unit plus profit per unit is equal to selling price. Wherever, whenever, whatever you actually go with, if the procedure is correct, you will get the same answer. You know what is the BEP formula? The BEP formula is fixed cost divided by PV. The same year profit, the same year sales you are supposed to go, because fixed cost will never change. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Vidhyaashram from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to the 7th session of the second chapter, Marginal Costing. Before starting the session, let me just tell you here, please do subscribe the channel if you have not done it. Do like our videos because that will actually motivate us. Now in the 7th problem, we have something. Now here, let me tell you, there is a small twist. But the minute you get something like this, don't get panicked. Now we usually used to get 2 years. We have 2 years. Sales 2 years. Again, we have sales also for 2 years. But now we have a problem, that is total cost, and they have given 2 years total cost. So where exactly our profit is, where is our loss? Now last session I told you if profit and loss comes, what is that we are supposed to do? But now we don't have profit nor loss. What exactly we are supposed to do? And they're asking us to find the same thing, that is a PV ratio, margin of. See, these are the things which you are supposed to remember. That is the formulas. Now with the formulas we can solve all the problems, isn't it? Now understand, whenever you get total cost, now you need to frame a question to yourself, right? So what is exactly this is? I'll give you a hint. Now cost plus profit is equal to selling price, correct? So we know that cost plus profit is equal to selling price. That means cost per unit plus profit per unit is equal to selling price. Selling price is always in per unit. The same way, it's a thing like this. Total cost plus profit. Total cost plus profit is equal to sales. Total cost plus profit is equal to sales. So now what has happened is 2020 and 2021. What is your total cost here? Total cost is 3,60,000. 3,60,000 we will write here. Right? This is what? 3,60,000 plus. Now we don't know profit is equal to, what is the 2020 sales? 2020 sales is how much? 4 lakh. So I'll write here 4 lakh. Now P is equal to, this 3 lakh will actually go there. 3,60,000 will go. So 4 lakh minus, plus will become minus 3,60,000. Now what happened is, I got my profit. My profit is equal to 40,000 rupees. How much is my profit? 40,000 rupees. So 2020, my profit is how much? 40,000. Now the same way you are supposed to calculate for what? 2021. Here we will go with 2021 things. Same way, total cost plus profit is equal to your sales. Now 2021, what is my total cost? My total cost 2021 is 5,20,000. So I'll write here 5,20,000 plus profit. I don't know. I need to find my profit. See, sometimes you may also incur loss. When you incur loss, total cost minus loss is equal to sales is what you are supposed to go. Now let's go with profit, because this is bigger amount, right? Sales is what? The bigger amount. So definitely I'll get profit. So here I'll write 6 lakh. How much is it? 6 lakh. Now what happens? Profit remains here is equal to, this side we have 6 lakh and this 5,20,000 will go that. That means minus 5,20,000 minus 5,20,000. Now what happened? P is equal to 6 lakh minus 5,20,000 is 80,000. So I have my profit is how much? 80,000. So this is what you are supposed to go. My profit is 80,000 rupees. So you will go with the word rupees here. So now the problem is like this. Profit. You go with this profit. How much is my profit? Here it is 40,000 And here I have how much? 80,000. So this is what the column. Now I don't need this column. So the question is, sales is 4 lakh, profit is 40,000. Sales is 6 lakh and profit is 80,000. This is how you are supposed to go with. Now let's go with the first one, that is PV ratio. What is it? PV ratio. How to find PV ratio? Now have this, right? You need to cancel this. You should write here profit, and for 2020 my profit is 40,000 and for 2021 it is 80,000. Now nowhere I'll actually take my total cost, so this is what the question it will be. Now let's go with PV. PV is equal to, what is PV when 2 years sales and 2 years profit is actually there? That is change in. So I'll write here change in. Now the first here P or S, which will come? P. So that means change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So change in profit means what? This is the, see, 2021 is the current year minus previous year, current year minus previous year. So this previous year is 2020. So 2021, what is my profit? 80,000. So is equal to 80,000 minus, what is the previous year profit? 40,000. So 80,000 minus 40,000 divided by, now sales minus this one, right? So it is 6 lakh minus 4 lakh into 100. So now what happened? 80 minus 40 is 40,000. Go with the step marks here, though you people can actually calculate using your calculator and find the final, but I'm telling you, PV ratio, whenever you find, if PV is correct, the entire other problems will be correct. Here 6 minus 4 is 2 lakh. I'll write here 2 lakh into 100. Now 1 2 1 2, here 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. If you go with it, now 2 divided by 40 is how much? 20. So I got my PV. My PV is equal to 20%. See, PV is always in percentage. So I got my PV here. Done. Now what is that next which we are supposed to find? So this is my A. I'm done with my A. Done. See, usually write the sub questions, numbers or alphabets properly. So next they are asking me, see, PV is done. Margin of safety for 2 years. Margin of safety for 2 years. Now, how to go with margin of safety? I told you, if your PV is correct, the remaining will also be correct. So MOS I'll write. Now we are supposed to go with 2021 and 2020. So MOS for 2020. So what is the formula of MOS? MOS is equal to, the denominator is PV. After O, what will come? P. P in the sense profit. So this is how you will remember. So 2020, what is my profit? 40,000. So 40,000 divided by PV is how much? 20% is equal to. Now take your calculator, you are supposed to go with, that is, here we have 40,000 divided by 20%. So I have 2 lakh. So I'll write here how much? 2 lakh rupees. That means my MOS of 2020 is how much? 2 lakh rupees. So this is my done. Next, we have something called MOS for 2021 is equal to, what is the MOS formula? That is profit divided by PV is equal to 2021. What is my profit? My profit is 80,000. So it is 80,000 divided by 20%. So I'll go with 80,000 divided by 20. It will be like double. So it is 80,000 divided by 20%. So it is how much? 4 lakh. See, Here it is 2 lakh, so it is double. So how much it is equal to, it is 4 lakh rupees. So this is my MOS for 2021. So I'm done with my PV, and this is the question B. You are supposed to denote this. So let's go with the next one. What exactly they are asking us is, now they are asking us to find BEP. Which one? BEP. Now what is the BEP formula? The BEP formula is fixed cost divided by PV. Now we don't have fixed cost here. So right now we are supposed to solve what? Fixed cost. So for that, here what exactly we are supposed to do is, we have done PV. We have already have PV 20%. We need to find fixed cost. When we go with fixed cost, how is that we will actually find? So for that we have something called ACT, that is the Abhilash Chandra tricks. I told you, if this formula, if you remember, you can solve at least 4 to 3 problems in PV ratios. So the formula here is PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. This formula never forget, right? So we have PV, that is 20% is equal to, now fixed cost I need to find F plus. Now what happens is, any 1 year profit you take, the same year sales you should take. Now total cost is given. Right now we don't need total cost anywhere. So instead of total cost, what is that we know? That is, we have 2020, this is the year, and 2021, and we are supposed to go with our profit. Now profit was how much? 40,000, and next one is 80,000. This is what we have actually found out. So here profit, any 1 year if you take, the same year profit, the same year sales you are supposed to go. So I'll take right now 2020. So here it is 40,000 is the profit. Sales is how much? 4 lakh. So I'll write here 4 lakh. So let's cross multiply. It will be 4 lakh into 20% is equal to, the remaining here is F plus 40,000. Now it is 4 lakh into 20%. 4 2s are 8. That means 80,000 it is. Here I'll have 80,000. This 40 will come here, minus 40,000 is equal to fixed cost. Now how much I got? 40,000 is equal to fixed cost. So my fixed cost is what? 40,000. I'll show you the 2021 if we take. Okay, still you will get 40. Let's go with this 2021. I'll show you here. Again, we'll go with this formula. PV is how much? 20% is equal to fixed cost, I don't know, plus. Now profit of 2021 I will take. How much? Profit of 2021 I will take. Now it is how much? 80,000. 80,000. And sales of 2021 is how much? 6 lakh. So I'll take here 6 lakh. So this is the beauty of accounting. Wherever, whenever, whatever you actually go with, if the procedure is correct, you will get the same answer. So this 60 will actually go here. That is 6 lakh into 20% is equal to F plus 80,000. So here 6 2s is 12. So we have 1,20,000 minus this 80 will actually come here. So it is minus 80,000 is equal to fixed cost. 1,20,000 minus 80 is 40,000. 40,000 is equal to fixed cost. Go with rupees 40,000. Here also it is what? Rupees 40,000. So both the way, whichever you take, that means the same year profit, the same year sales you are supposed to go, because fixed cost will never change. So if fixed cost for 2020 is 40,000, that means that here in 2021 also the fixed cost remains same. That is what I wanted to show it to you. Let's go with the next one. The next D. Now A, B, C we have done. Now we are going with the D one, that is profit when sales are rupees 10 lakh. Now understand, the question is what? profit when sales are 10 lakh rupees. That means what? What is the profit? That is what we are supposed to find. What is the profit? For that, Abhilash Chandra tricks. That is what you are supposed to go. What is the formula? That is PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV, we know that. How much is it? 20% is equal to, now F is how much? This is what we are substituting here. So it is like this. Whatever it is, we are doing with it. PV is 20%. F is how much? We have found out, that is 40,000 plus profit they have not given, but they said that the sales is how much? It is 10 lakh. So I'll write here 10 lakh. What am I doing? I'm just substituting what the formula says. Now here 10 lakh will go here. That means 10 lakh into 20% is equal to the remaining one, 40,000 plus profit. Now 10 lakh 20%, in the sense 10 lakh at 20%, 1 2s are 2, in the sense 2 lakh is what it is. So here I'll write 2 lakh, this 40 will come here, minus 40,000 is equal to profit. So here 2 lakh minus 40,000 is how much? 1,60,000. Go with rupees is equal to profit. So whenever I have a sales of 10 lakh rupees, that means what? The profit will be how much? 1,60,000. This is how we are supposed to substitute. Any doubt regarding the substitution, you can actually comment, you can call us. We are always there to help you. Let's go with the next question. That is the E. Sales required to earn a profit of 1,50,000. So you should tell me that what exactly the formula is. Exactly, very true. The formula is again Abhilash Chandra tricks, that is PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. So what is my PV? My PV is here 20%. And what is my F? Is equal to fixed cost is how much? 40,000 plus what is that they're asking you? Sales required to earn a profit of 1,50,000. So what is my profit here? 1,50,000 divided by, I need to find my sales. This is what it is. So I'll substitute. S will go here. So sales is equal to 40 plus 1,50,000 is 1,90,000. Divided by 20% will come down. 20%. So sales is equal to, take your calculator and we are supposed to go with 1,90,000 divided by 20% is 9,50,000 rupees. So we got how much? 9,50,000 rupees. So here only you can find the differences. Understand? Profit, if it is 1,50,000, how much is the sales? We got 9,50,000. Now understand here. 10 lakh was a sale. So how much was our profit? 1,60,000. So for every 50,000, it is 10,000 is what the profit is, right? So let's go with the next one. After sales, we have the last one, that is contribution for both the period. Contribution for both the period. Again, here also, when you go with contribution, you don't need this entry. That means what? Throughout the question, you don't need your total cost. You only need your sales and profit. So let's go with this. Here what happens is, we'll write here only profit. You make a column like that, profit. Now 2020, how much is our profit? 40,000. We have calculated earlier itself. And here 2021 is how much? 80,000. So we'll go with contribution. What is a contribution formula? Contribution formula is C is equal to F plus P. C is equal to F plus P. Now, sir, C is equal to S minus V is also there, no? But here we don't have variable cost. Now, you don't know contribution, you don't know variable cost, so we can't take that formula. That's the reason we go with this formula. So let's go with 2020 contribution. Here only we'll write 2020. Now, what is the contribution is equal to? Now fixed cost, we have already found fixed cost, isn't it? I'll just show you where exactly we have found the fixed cost. Now when we go with this here itself, now fixed cost, how much is it? 40,000. You have found fixed cost has 40,000. So the same way here also will go. Fixed cost is how much? 40,000 plus. Now 2020, how much is your profit? We have again found out the 2020 profit, that is 40,000 again. So here also I'll write 40,000. So contribution is equal to how much? Contribution is equal to 80,000. This is what? Rupees. So contribution is 80,000 in 2020, and the last one here we have is what? 2021. Contribution is equal to fixed plus profit. So here contribution, fixed cost is how much? 40,000, and in 2021 how much is our profit? We have a profit of 80,000. So plus 80,000. So 80 plus 40 is how much? Contribution. We have 1,20,000. How much is it? 1,20,000 rupees. This is what we are supposed to go with. So this is the end of marginal costings, and the next session which I'll actually come, where I'll teach you about marginal cost statement. So you know that what exactly this Abhilash Chandra trick is. With that formula, PV is equal to F plus P divided by S, we have found out all the questions, isn't it? So never forget these formulas, and please do practice at your place. You have a lot of questions of marginal costing. You can actually personally message us. We'll give you all the questions, say 7 to 8 questions we're gonna give. Now we have solved 7 problems. The next session I'm gonna teach you about marginal costing. Till then, any doubt you have, students, please be very free to call us, message us. We are always there to help you. Thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.